Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Tinder account on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder app and of course download it. After that, click and open it. And after that, go and click on create account. It will ask you here for your phone number. You should choose your country. So for me, for example, it's Tunisia. And after that, you have to put your phone number and click next. After that, it will tell you like they are going to send you a message. So the message arrived. Put the code and click next. After that, you have to put your email address. So before creating the account, you have to have an email and a phone number. So for example, I will put this email, gmail.com, click next. And after that, you can connect your Tinder account with your Apple account if you want, but I will click on skip. And it tell you like, welcome to Tinder. And now you have to enter the informations of your account. Click I agree. And enter your first name. After that, click next. And you must have something that you should know from the beginning that you can't change your name after. So you have to choose wisely before choosing the name to put in the app. Okay, so click let's go. You have to put your birthday. One moment. And click next. After that, choose your gender if you are a man or a woman. And you can choose if you want to show your gender on your profile or not. So I choose man and show it. You can choose here your distance preference, like how far you want people or like the maximum distance you want your potential matches to be located on. You can choose if you want like people next to you, you can choose even to 2 miles, or you can put it on 100 mile and click next. After that, you have to put what you are looking for, long-term partner, long-term open to short, short-term open to long, short-term fun, new friends, or still figuring out. So you choose anything. Click next. And here you can put the school where you studied. I will click skip. And it will give you like more questions like how often do you drink, how often do you smoke, do you work out, and do you have pets? You can click skip. And more questions here. Of course, you can answer them. And more questions here about your favorite hobbies and things like that. Click skip. And here you have to add like one picture of you. We click on the plus. We choose the camera and give access. And of course, you can choose a picture from your phone. For me, it's just an example. Click add to profile. And you have to add one more picture. Click add to profile. And you can click next now. And you can here share more about yourself, like write your bio and select a prompt. The prompt is like some sort of questions to start the conversation with your match. Click skip again. And voila, we are on Tinder now. And you can here block the people that are on your device contact, so you will not match with them on Tinder. So if you want that, you can click on continue. And as you can see now, like they asked for verification to verify the account. So let's say maybe later. So as you can see now, it told me that if I skip the face verification, the account won't be visible. So that's why it's better when you create your account, it's better that you put like your real face on the pictures directly, because they will ask for face verification to avoid bots and spams on their app. So if I skip, the profile won't be visible. So let's skip, just skip, and skip the tutorial, and that's it. Now like I completed my Tinder like registration, and that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.